What's up, guys? Your boy Dougie Tech. Let's take a look at the Smart Keyboard Trio 500 by Samsung. This is a portable Bluetooth keyboard which is lightweight, well constructed, and easily can fit into your backpack or your briefcase. It's about 3/4 the size of a standard keyboard, which makes it still pretty comfortable to type on, especially if you're typing information into a cell phone or into a tablet. It runs off of 2 AAA batteries, and it's called Trio because of the 3 dedicated buttons on the left hand side. You can dedicate those buttons to specific apps, and with one touch you can enter those apps. And on the right hand side of the keyboard you'll see the Dex button, Samsung Dex. Samsung Dex converts your tablet or any TV you connect it to into a Windows type computer. This is your boy Dougie Tech, and I'm out.